What's up guys, welcome back to CPAT. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Today I'll be teaching you how to stop or how to fix the use launcher as always or just once error or pop-up coming up on your phone. So to stop that, you have to launch as on your phone earlier before that shows up. You have to launch. I have only one, but let me install another one now to show you how to really fix it. Before that thing comes on your phone, it means you have more than a launcher on your phone, and the phone is asking you which launcher you would love to use. Now I've installed another launcher. I tap on open. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about now. So this is AV launcher, the fastest launcher I have on my phone. I have to grant permission. Okay, allow. So guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You'd see something now coming up on my phone like use this launcher use launcher as home, just once or always. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Now you have an option to choose from. Let me just tell you the easiest way to fix this. The easiest way to fix this is you have to go to your settings. You have your phone settings. Go to your settings. I have my settings here. I have my settings here. This is my settings. You have to tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, this is what you get. You tap on apps and notifications. After tapping on apps and notifications, you go to advanced. That is your advanced settings. Then you tap on default apps. That is your default apps. You tap on it. Now you have to head to your home app. As you can see, it shows none. Now you have to select a launcher you'd love to use forever. So I've chosen the launcher I just installed. You have to tap on your back button. As you can see, it has showed the launcher I'm using now. It showed none earlier, so you have to tap your home button. As you can see, I tapped mine and nothing pops up like it did some minutes back. I'm tapping my home button now. As you can see, nothing happened. So guys, that is the easiest way to fix that on your phone. That is the easiest way to fix use launcher, maybe just once or always. So if this trick really works for you, please share this video, and you have some friends who are also facing the same issue, please do not forget to share this video with them. And if this really works for you, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notification and share. Peace.